In terms of promoting ethos with the staff, they've been very keen to get involved in some of the initiatives that I've just mentioned, obviously with the learners. But as a management team, in our bi-weekly meetings, we've encouraged managers to engage with the Welsh language by getting them to learn the Welsh phrase of the week. And more recently now, we've asked them to give presentations on how they are developing the Welsh language in their curriculum areas, which is really, really important. It is very important that people like myself lead in terms of developing the Welsh language in the college, and my role is very much supporting the principal and the Rheolwr Iaith Cymraeg, the Welsh language manager, to ensure that we meet the needs of our Welsh language scheme and that the actions that are developed from that are met across the college. It's very, very important to us. Staff themselves are very important to us in developing the Welsh language, and we try to support them as much as possible within Coleg Sir Gâr. We've supported the Welsh Government sabbatical scheme over the last couple of years and had numerous members of staff that have gone on that activity. What we've tried to do with those members of staff is, for when they come back in college, to align them to curriculum developments that we've made with the Welsh language. Staff and indeed the Welsh department that we've got here have an open door policy in supporting members of staff. I mentioned about the sabbatical scheme that some members of staff, but Sgiliaeth have also been very important in developing our staff here, particularly in terms of Welsh language developments, not only in terms of members of staff oral capability in developing Welsh, but also in their written aspects of work as well. And a number of our members of staff have been on the MA in developing bilingual teaching with Sgiliaeth, have been successful in that, which has been fantastic for us as a college.